What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. Most OnePlus 6 and 60 users aren't happy with the latest update of Android 11, which is Oxygen OS 11.1.1.1, and they want to downgrade their device to stable channel of Oxygen OS 10. So in this video, let me show you how to downgrade your device to Oxygen OS 10. First, let's talk about the software information of my device. So here you can see this is my OnePlus 60, which is currently running on Android 11 based on Oxygen OS 11.1.1.1. To downgrade your device, make sure your device is sufficiently charged and also take a backup of your device before proceeding. After that, you need to download the files. The files are given in the description below. So as you can see here, this is the downgrade package of OnePlus 60. And if you're downloading this file using your mobile, then you would see the file format in .zip.jar. In that case, you can long press on the file, tap on these three dots, tap on rename and remove .jar extension from the end. Save the file. After that, you just have to go to settings, system update, tap on this gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade and you'll be able to see the file. Tapping on this file will give you a warning of data wipe. As said earlier, make sure your device is sufficiently charged and also you have taken your backup of the device, because here wiping includes internal storage too. I've already taken the backup. Just tapping on confirm. The device will take around 4 to 5 minutes to complete the installation process of this package. So after the installation process is completed, you'll get an option to reboot your device. And here guys, you still have time to take a backup of your device before tapping on reboot. So make sure you have taken the entire backup of your device. Now let's reboot our device. And now our device will boot into recovery and perform a factory reset. And as you can see here, device have booted into OnePlus stock recovery and performing a reset process. And now device will boot into system. So our device have been successfully booted up. Let's complete the initial setup first. Okay, so we have completed the initial setup and we are back to Android 10. Let me show you the software information. So here you can see my device is running on Android 10 and the Oxygen OS version is 10.3.11. But still, after downgrading the device, you'll get an OTA update of 10.3.12. If you guys want, you can still update your device to this particular version of Oxygen OS, which is 10.3.12. So guys, this way you can downgrade your OnePlus 6 and 60 to Android 10. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.